President Dr. Mukund Joshi to please come on the dais and read the citation of Dr. C.S. Bhaskaran. Can I have a little light here, Vijay? Thank you. Dignitaries on the dais, distinguished guests, fellows, members, ladies and gentlemen. It is my misfortune that I have to refer to Dr. C.S. Bhaskaran as late Dr. Bhaskaran, especially when the Academy had decided to confer the honor of Lifetime Achievement Award to this humble, soft, gentle human being and above all a lovable man. Professor Bhaskaran has had a has been a renowned microbiologist and medical educationist. He was born in 1932 and he graduated in medicine from Madras University and did his post-graduation in pathology from Andhra University. He served as professor of microbiology for over 2 decades and worked as an additional director and director of medical education and director of Institute of Preventive Medicine and Public Health. He also was the chief of laboratory services and vice chancellor of the N.T. Ramarao University of Health and Sciences in Andhra Pradesh. He was associated with several national and international organizations such as MCI, ICMR, NBE, Planning Commission and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. He was also associated with WHO in a big way. He was a former president of the Indian Association of Medical Microbiologists, and Dr. Bhaskaran was associated with the National Academy of Medical Sciences since 1972 when fellowship was conferred on him. He was elected Emeritus Professor of our Academy in view of his professional excellence and subject and expertise of a high order. He served the Academy in several capacities and finally he was the President of the Academy from 2012 to date. With his quality of equanimity, academic and professional excellence, Professor Bhaskaran richly deserves the Lifetime Achievement Award. The award was handed over to his wife posthumously, Dr. Shamala, who has also been a fellow of our Academy for a long time, by Dr. Prema Ramachandran. She is here, along with a few other fellows from Hyderabad, and the oration was, and the Lifetime Achievement Award was given to him in his name in Hyderabad very recently. On behalf of the Academy and all of us here, I really congratulate the fact that Dr. Bhaskaran, however late it is, has been our Lifetime Achievement Award winner. Thank you.